Hi friends, it's time for Playtime with Littles, and today we're going to play with our sensory bin full of pom-poms, and we're going to look for colored balls. Let's see if we can find any. Oh, I feel one right here. Oh, what color is that? It's a yellow ball. Oh, I found another one. There's a blue ball. I found another one. What color is that? There's a red ball. Oh, found another one. What color is that? Orange. Look at the orange ball. Let's see if we can find some more. Oh, I found another one up here. Ooh, this is a tricky one. Do you know what color this is? This is white. This ball is white. I found another one over here. There's a green ball. That ball is green. Oh, I found another one. What color is that? Pink. Did we find all of our balls? We did. Thanks for playing with me. That was fun practicing our colors. Bye.